Hi guys, Steve up at the cabin again. Today we're going to fix this lawnmower, which you can't see, it's out of the shot. I'm going to lift it up and put it up here on the tailgate so I can work on it. So it's nice and high as opposed to kneeling down. I was using this a few days ago, cutting the lawn, next to the driveway, and hit a couple of rocks. Now I had already hit some rocks with this thing and tweaked the blade, and I gave it a wobble and it bent it down, so now it's cutting lower and hitting more stuff. And this past week when I was cutting the lawn by a driveway, I hit a couple more rocks and tweaked it more, so to the point where it's, I couldn't use it anymore. It's really bent down. I tried bending it back up, no go. It just, I put a 2x4 underneath it, pushed down on it to get the blade to come up, no good. So I bought a new blade, because I figured once I take the blade off, I can rebend it, but it's bent up, it's gnarly. So I got a new one, and it says 21-inch. This blade fits Craftsman. We'll find out. So I went online to look on how you do this, because supposedly some of these have reverse thread bolts for the lawnmower blade. I tried with vice grips to take this thing off because I didn't have tools up here. I just had, some vice grips, channel locks, some basics. So I went back home. I live on the island. This is my weekend place. And I brought up my battery-powered impact gun. I brought a bunch of sockets, some wrenches. I got to get this thing off. I went online, and for the most part, what I'm seeing is that this has a regular thread. So lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Should be able to get this off now. Hopefully I didn't mess up the bolt head with the vice grips that much, and it'll come off. And I bought metric sockets in case I need them. I don't know. So let's get this up on the bed. We want to lean it so the carburetor is up. So otherwise the crankcase oil will fill up the carburetor. I guess the carburetor is on this side. Everything's covered. Yeah. Yeah, carburetor's on this side. All right, let me get some wood to prop this thing up. I don't know if you're catching this, but it's either September 30th or October 1st. The leaves are starting to change here, and you see that they're falling down. It's like it's snowing. First one I tried, 9/16. I remember when I looked at it, I said, that looks like a 9/16. So I bought everything just in case. The impact gun is a 1/2-inch drive. A lot of my other sockets are mostly 5/8 or 3/8. And I had to make sure I brought adapters, extension, wrenches. All right, hopefully this comes right off. Yep, thank God that was easy. I really don't want to fight with this thing. Okay, as you can see, big whoopsie-doo here. I mean, it's supposed to be more like this. I mean, you can see the difference. I got this from Ace Hardware. I forget how much I paid for it. I don't know which side goes which, but we'll find out. All right, so. Okay. All right, I didn't want to send it home with the impact gun right from the get-go. Good enough. Well, I was really expecting this thing to fight me a lot more. I had the right socket, the tool work, that battery-powered impact gun's been sitting in my toolbox for, I'm gonna say, 3 years since I've used it. I had to charge the battery, but yeah, grabbed the right socket, went on, came right off. The new blade fit, went right on. It was one of those universal blades, fits this, that, the other thing. I was like, yeah, I just know I'm gonna bring it in and it's not gonna fit, but looks great. Gonna cut the lawn on the island. Hopefully that all goes well. Then after that, I wanna take the plywood off of the front door of the cabin, clean out the front porch area, and just take a look inside. I know I got a lot on my hands in there, but I just want to take a look and survey the situation a little bit. All right, let's go to the island. Just wanted to show you guys the ducks that were here in the pond when I came this morning. Very, very rarely do I see ducks or geese or anybody on, or any other waterfowl swimming in the pond. So it was a nice little visit. All right, so the blade works great. Still running across pieces of this old mattress. There was one here, and one there. That's the big thing I'm afraid of, is running over crap like this that'll hurt the blade or hurt the mower. So as I find this, I toss it off, but the lawnmower seems to be working great. It's a short video this week, guys, but I'm also going to do a separate one where we get to take a look inside the cabin. That should be exciting. Well, here's the after, and as you can see, it did a pretty good job. The mower's not wobbling anymore. The blade's not scratching the side of the mower housing, and it's not bent down and gouging the ground. So 2 thumbs up for the blade, and it did a great job. Okay, this is a Craftsman 6.75 MRS. Most reliable starting. It's a Briggs & Stratton engine. I will say it hasn't let me down yet. And it's the 21-inch high tunnel mulcher, front gear drive, variable speed. Well, the front gear drive works sporadically, but I got this thing from a guy, about a half a mile away, who sells lawnmowers, and I got it for 60 bucks, and I needed a lawnmower, and so far so good. And 6.75, is that horsepower? That would seem to be a lot for a lawnmower, no? But that's the lawnmower that it is. It's a 21-inch. And that's how you change the blade on it.